Wamitai toka fotaha. Wamitai pangapuaka hula. Wamitai ngawe.
To our guests of honor for tonight, Miss Cook Islands. The first part of our welcoming ceremony tonight is called the Ha'unga. On behalf of His Highness Prince Tu'ipelehake and the people of Alakifonua and Pelehake, we welcome you to these very historical landmarks known as Malumalu-O-Fulilangi, or the landing place of Captain James Cook in 1777. Fukaiki Toafa will lead us in prayers before we continue on to our kava ceremony. Malo apito.
Fia ka inga tama Tu'ipelehake. Ke tari lelei. Tahine. Bisi behe. Otu botu Cook Island. Lama bai ki he ni kon mau tahine misi. Ke mau tau. Ke mau ofa. Koi konga pe. Oki mau tolu, ikai hakehe. Mau whakabalo atu he whakatu lele yoku whai he potu ngau e taki mamata. Mahino oku toka ringo e melino he Pasifiki. Uia mai kore huafa o sisu klai so alo kako mau whakapu.
Kavana tuki.
What? Tumari e pega e bolu. Oh, mia mai misi Malumalu-O-Fulilangi mo Alakifonua.
Thank you very much. That's the completion of our kava ceremony and the welcoming ceremony of Miss Malumalu-O-Fulilangi, Cook Islands. Welcome to Captain Cook landing place, Malumalu-O-Fulilangi. Now we have completed our formalities of welcoming our Miss Cook Islands to Alakifonua, and now I will pass it on to our DJ. Please give us some music.
En kia ora the village Alaki. I feel very honored and privileged that you guys are hosting me tonight and are going to be my representative village for when I'm here in Tonga. I would like to say thank you, and before we eat some kai kai, I would like to do a traditional Cook Island song for you guys just to show my appreciation, something from me, and I'm going to get Phyllis to translate to you what I will be singing to.
Sole ke u whangai tātātou o sama ki tā tāme whangatua. Wani ki translate ato pe uhinga ne ki whai wako e whai pōni. Koe ne ki ihula, koe ne ki hiwa koe e whai, koe tā noa whekau aki me wholau waka koe I he kōhiri. And how they discovered ki moto koe I he Pacific. Koe re malo.
I'm going to get my uke for you guys. Okay.
Enjoy pe lordonga mau me to godi e paholo ilo atu ai whanau mo e whanga pangapuna o e Malumalu-O-Fulilangi
We are going to sing a little song to you. We just composed it 3 hours ago.
and it's about the stream and the water. We want you to make sure to use it as a mirror for yourself. You are our daughter, and you can see all these beautiful things we compose for you, but this is especially for you. I'll pass on to these young men, young women and men of Alakifonua. They all related to Alaki, from our little sender that you ended on that night. Thank you for coming. You are our daughter and we love you.
You are beautiful Miss Cook Island of the Miss Pacific Festival, have become the beloved and beautiful daughter of Alakifonua of the Tu'ipelehake. You may use our street as a mirror. Malumalu-O-Fulilangi.
Captain Cook's landing place in 1777 beside Bay of Telefona, the passing stream for the royal families of the Tu'i Tonga and the Tu'i Hatagalawa. The Tu'i Tonga 35 Paula had the Inasi festival here with that Captain Cook.
They are going to sing the song in English. They just translated it to you, and we love you. You are our daughter. This is the song. And the song called Miss Cook Island.
Our next song that we're going to sing is a song that was composed by her late Majesty Queen Alakifonua III. This song is called Lokasiniwa, and she composed it for her husband, Moimoi. So I hope you enjoy, and we dedicate the song for you.
It's a waltz.
That's all. Thank you very much.
Alakifonua.
Te fia loto tuani ki whate whakamalo mo tolu he kanoa mo kau puke whanua. Koe lau maari e ia o mo tuanga o wha. O kai maari e loto o ki whewhine koe kako mo misi. Mo ne ana ua ke mo lava ko toa ani ki a tere he pui kai ke toi totoni ke mo si kau ngā paspasi i ne ki te auhi o whakahoko. Ko hono family o tamai mai te mo whaegi Alakifonua. Te ko ia pēta ne ki whakatangi ke mo mea nge mua o si pōpō ia. E ko ai ko tuki ho tau e whepea ka nofo ai te hen mo ere visi ko hahana koe. Te koe e tai whakamalo lahi.
So the Miss Cook Island, you are now renamed the Miss Malumalu-O-Fulilangi Alakifonua. You got a long name. Te kokore ake heni kia pautu wapau kuhi ukau he komiti. The time we announced by Miss Cook Island, please announce Miss Malumalu-O-Fulilangi Alakifonua and bracket Cook Islands.
guest of honor for tonight, Miss Malumalu-O-Fulilangi, Alakifonua Cook Islands. As the saying goes, that every good thing must come to an end. So is tonight's special event. On behalf of His Highness Prince Tu'ipelehake, the Hauli, Maluhelotu, Kaitoela'a, and the people of Alakifonua and Pelehake, we hope that the showcase that we have shown tonight, welcoming you in our traditional way, will let you remember us when you go back to Cook Islands. Also remember that this is your village. You are welcome to come here anytime. So without further ado, thank you very much for taking your time from busy schedule to choose Alakifonua as your village. And we fully support you all the way. We will be there on Thursday and Friday. Even to the day you will depart the Kingdom of Tonga, we will be at the airport to see you off. Now I would like to pass it on to Reverend Kaiki Toafa to close our special event tonight with the benediction before you leave. May God bless you all. Ofalahiatu.
Afia ba hemba fana. Ta bo ki bai. Toko ni pure ta ka ba. Ba to ba. Ege tai ne bisi. Alakifonua, Malumalu-O-Fulilangi. Bega Maluhelotu, ko si kainga Alakifonua. Ba kutugu bo ho apio ko ko ni. Ya ke mo ka pa mo ya. Grecia iki ko si suklai to bala ya tua ka ta mai. Leo to mo la mari ma ni odi. Ta tol ko to pe ya o tangata, eme.
Oh, guys.